Today we will be talking about PO matching, more specifically, PO indicators available on the DocBits Dashboard. From the DocBits Dashboard, these indicators are shown to you on the far right-hand side of all your uploaded documents. These indicators give you information on the status of the PO matching for that document based on the color shown on the dashboard. These indicators include the following. Full match. A full match indicates that there was a complete match between the invoice and the purchase order line items, meaning the unit prices and quantities were identical. Partially matched. A PO is partially matched when a purchase order line item gets partially matched to an invoice line item. This is indicated here as one of the line items from the purchase order was matched to the invoice line item, but not fully, as the invoice quantity does not fully satisfy the purchase order. Mismatched. A mismatch occurs when a line item from an invoice and a line item from a purchase order are incorrectly matched with one another. In this example, the article number of these line items were mismatched. This is evident as item numbers of the invoice do not match the item number of the purchase order. Unmatched. The reason for the unmatched indicator could be due to there being no match at all, meaning none of the line items of the invoice could be linked to any purchase order line items. Overmatched. This occurs when an invoice line item is matched to a purchase order line item, but the invoice unit price or quantity is lower than the purchase orders. Undermatched. This is similar to the previous scenario. It occurs when the invoice unit price or quantity is higher than the purchase orders. Thank you for watching this video, and feel free to check out our other videos showcasing the power of DocBits. See you next time.